here at Kettering University for Ri3D, and I'm DeAndre.
I'm Ian.
And we're going to talk to you today about our progress for the day. Pause. Alright, so for today, what we've done mostly is we finished up the superstructure on the robot. We built all this for a virtual armbar, and then on top of it, we finished up an actual intake. We took our prototype and converted it to an actual more finished project using Lexan on CNC. And then additionally, we added the electrical board in the back. So it's got everything like your Spark Maxes and the PDH as well as the Robo-Rio, everything set up back there. Got the battery mounted below. So essentially now it's starting to actually look like a full-on robot, as well as most of the electricals run to connect to everything. We still have a couple more things to finish in terms of actually mounting the intake to our virtual armbar, other things, as well as sprocket to connect, so that I'll actually be able to maintain like a level as it raises. And on top of that, just typical like bumpers and other finishing touches to make sure everything comes together nicely. I'm gonna hand it off to Ian. He's gonna kind of show off how our intake works now, again with the cube and the cone.
So we currently don't have the chains on it, but we are working on finishing it up. So I will show a test for you. The small ones are meant for picking up the cone. As you can see, it does it pretty well without a lot of drop. And then the big ones will be for picking up the cubes, which you need a lot of pressure on it, but you can see it does that well as well. Guess it dropped it, but it'll be better once you have the chain on it to give it a little bit more pressure. And I'll pass it back to DeAndre.
So overall, we got a few more things to finish up for the night, but so far progress has been good. So that's all for now. You can check out all the videos on the First Updates Now YouTube page, and that's it for tonight.
This video on First Updates Now is made possible by viewers like you and also the following sponsors. Kettering University, over 30% of the student population was in high school robotics. These same students have received a portion of over $7 million in scholarships. Scholarship applications for first students are now available. Get more information at kettering.edu/first. Thank you to all of our suppliers and sponsors for the Robot in 3 Days Redux and Kettering Bulldogs programs.